I'm here with Western Pacific Fence installing this fence. It'll go around the yard. You can see that we prefabricated all the panels in the production pod. One employee that does yard work there typically prefabricated all the panels. They then brought them out. They used the iOS app to mark the post cutoffs and the rail heights. They put the panels in, they're nailing them off. This is a post setting crew. They don't normally do the fence panels or the post caps or the cutoffs. They typically just set posts. So anyway, you can see that it all fits nice and snug, and you can pre-manufacture off-site to follow terrain and to follow run length. And it doesn't matter what the post-to-post distance is, the panels are made to fit those. So however you install the posts, you can build the panels to. What we're finding is if we get like 2 or 3 panels ahead before we do all the nailing, we might tack them, but we get 2 or 3 panels ahead, we'll tighten all the posts together, and everything works out beautifully that way.